Should hate speech be recognized as free speech in America? This is the question recently posed in a recent debate between Professors Matthew Rungitis and Pamela Williams-Paez at College of the Canyons, with hardline stances on the topic taken by both professors in the open forum. Despite the many cases taken before the Supreme Court in the name of free speech, the Constitution does not presently have any coverage towards hate speech, nor is there any language that defines what hate speech exactly is. Professor Paez has a specific idea of what constitutes hateful speech, however.
Hate speech, by definition, is defined as any kind of language or gesture or speech that is an attack or a direct offense, physical or symbolic, against a person based on their identity.
Despite the negativity displayed in such speech, there is a controversy found by some, not in the content of the speech, but the perceived inability to speak it.
The freedom of speech is the right to express any opinion without censorship or, restraint. And so you are entitled to share your opinion in the face of disagreement and offense.
Limiting hate speech is also limiting distress, limiting attacks on people, limiting hate. So I don't think it's a negative at all.
Those in opposition to the very idea of hate speech won't actually argue whether it is protected under free speech laws. Indeed, if former mayor of Santa Clarita Bob Keller is free to say this,
"I'm a proud racist,"
then Santa Clarita residents are free to say this.
There's a huge difference between a dialogue that is diverse and civil and a dialogue that is aimed at targeting particular people with words that often have physical manifestations later down the road.
Hate speech is recognized as free speech, and many agree that it should stay this way. However, all actions can be met with reactions, and hate speech should always be countered with free speech outlining where the problem lies. For Cougar News, I'm Jed Bookout.